Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you your iPhone is still exposed in all this hidden Safari setting now. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Any website can create fingerprint on your device in seconds. So to turn off the settings, what you need to do is head over and open up your settings. And once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and then tap on apps. Once you're inside your apps, simply scroll down, then select Safari. Then once you're inside there, simply scroll down and then tap on Advanced. Once you're inside Advanced, simply select Advanced Tracking and Fingerprint, and here what you need to do is select. You'll find two options: private browsing only or all browsing. Choose all browsing. Doing something called fingerprinting. What does this mean is website collects information about your device without asking for like screen size, install fonts, or device specifications, graphics card, and even browser capabilities. These small details will combine create a unique digital device. Even if you change your IP or use a VPN, when you turn this setting on for all browsing, Safari starts changing the data websites can see, making your fingerprint confusing and unstable. This greatly reduces any website ability to track you or link your visits across different sites. This setting is extremely powerful in white and not many people know about it. So turn it on now and you will notice a huge difference in your privacy level. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.